afternoon, and especially to all of you, our partners. I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of our founders. I see Esondiego and Kiko, the founders of Pick Up Coffee. Good afternoon. I just want you to know that actually almost all of our Pick Up Coffee leaders are also here, so I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our leadership teams.
Come up with such fun drinks, whatever mood that we are in, they have something for us. And I think that's something that is definitely Pick Up Coffee's signature, right? They are very, very into their innovation, and now we are going to hear more about the exciting products and innovations that they've been working on. So everybody, please welcome Pick Up.
Next summer. On March 23, we're launching our Summer Fresh Fruit series. Alright, exciting, right? A new line of bright, refreshing fruities designed.
Ambassador of Pick Up Coffee, our newest endorser, Hannah Pangilinan. Hi Hannah, hi guys. Happy 4th. I know, hello, nice to see you both. And we're so happy that you're here to celebrate Pick Up Coffee's 4th birthday, if you will.
Happy birthday.
I know, happy birthday, Pick Up Coffee.
Happy birthday, Pick Up Coffee, and hello to all our friends. Good afternoon to everyone. May sasabihin na ba ako?
I'll ask you that.
Okay.
I'll ask you that. Yes. For more natural, for more natural. Not scripted. Yes, but we're so excited that both of you are here to celebrate. So Donnie, we just saw your newest, video here.
And that was so fun to make. Can I just say, props to the Pick Up Coffee team. We had such an amazing time on set. It just comes to show that not everyone means that if you do something like that, it has to be parang super brand-based.
Yes.
Everyone really wants to be collaborative. So that's what I really appreciated on making.
Yeah, and I think we saw it in the video.
Super.
Even just the energy.
Yes,
Even
yes.
yung napa-wow ka.
Yeah.
Wow talaga.
Paano ba din?
Wow! Dapat sa'yo magaling. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Wow! Napawaw sa'yo. Diba? But Donnie, how does it feel to be part of, such a beautiful family with the Pick Up Coffee family?
It's so amazing because honestly, I am in awe of how quickly the brand has grown in 4 years. I can't believe 500 stores in 4 years. I think it's the fastest I've seen personally. And to just see it firsthand, you really see, yes, the demand is there. People really want something with quality that doesn't really hurt their pockets. But at the same time, you see the heart behind it. You see the team behind it. You see the family behind it. And I think that's why it's very successful. And that will just be so continuous with all the potential Pick Up Coffee has for the next years. I'm super excited. Yeah.
I know we're so excited. We're even more excited that, this is a family at Pick Up Coffee, that even your family, your literal family, has joined the Pick Up Coffee family. Our newest endorser, everybody, Hannah Pangilinan. So Hannah, how does it feel to be part of the Pick Up Coffee family and just being able to celebrate this milestone with everyone?
Yeah, actually, I think my brother said a lot of it, but to add to that, I find that it's been just so fun working with Pick Up Coffee. It's so natural for us, like you said, to collaborate, to create new ideas. And even at our shoot, we were all just trying new things. I mean, it was a whole day shoot, but it just felt like hanging out with friends and just seeing how the brand is growing. And you can tell that, we're not just ambassadors here to stand up and smile, but the brand actually wants us to be engaged.